Alright, so we're doing a gram to mole conversion. So as you can tell, you're given 3.00 grams of boron tribromide. So obviously, as you can tell, if you remember from what you should know about naming compounds, you should know that when you have two nonmetals, which for instance boron and bromine, you use the beginning prefixes to describe how many of that specific element you have. This does not mean that that is the charge of the element. It means that that's the specific number that you have. When you use, you know how mono means one? You do not use mono as at the beginning element. You use mono for the second element if it is needed, not for the beginning. So if you had boron, you'd have di here and you'd put 2. So B2, Br3, but in this case you do not. So we're going to look over here and we're going to look what I wrote based off of the chart. If you look at the chart and you flip the flap open to mass or to grams and you flip it over to moles, you'll see that there's 3 different sections. Reason why I did not write the third section is because the third section is for if you have a reaction. That's where you write the coefficient of the moles that you're trying to find, but in this case, you're just trying to find the moles of what you're given, which is right there, mole of given. So you stop there because it says mole of given, but in this case, it says coefficient moles of unknown. So you just use the moles of given. So right there. So basically, you just cross, you know how to do this. This is an easy one. So you just take what you're given, which is 3.00 grams of Br3. You times it by the mole over the molar mass, and you get your answer.